What if Toyota built the ultimate 16x16 apocalypse-proof luxury motorhome? This is the 2026 Toyota ThunderBeast 16x16, a rolling fortress wrapped in black and red aggression. Finished in deep matte black with razor-sharp red accents slicing across its armored body, the ThunderBeast doesn't just arrive, it dominates. 16 massive off-road wheels, military-grade stance, and a luxury interior that feels like a private jet on all-terrain steroids. Today we're taking a full cinematic tour: exterior, cockpit, living space, bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom. Let's get into it. From the front, the ThunderBeast looks brutally intentional. The bold Toyota lettering stretches across a black honeycomb grille, framed by squared LED headlights with crisp white DRL signatures. Above the windshield, a full-width LED light bar reinforces its expedition DNA. The front bumper is pure armored utility. Integrated winch system, heavy-duty recovery points with bright red tow hooks, reinforced skid plates, and embedded auxiliary lighting. Every surface looks riveted, industrial, over-engineered. Move to the side and you immediately understand the scale. This is a true 16x16 setup. 8 massive off-road tires per side, each wrapped in aggressive deep tread rubber, mounted on black multi-lug wheels. The ground clearance is extreme. The suspension components are visible and serious. The body panels are flat, armored, and segmented with exposed bolt details, giving it that tactical expedition vibe. A sharp red stripe cuts across the entire side profile, creating visual motion even while standing still. Up top, a full roof rack system carries rugged storage cases and a full-size spare tire, ready for cross-continental exploration. At the rear, the ThunderBeast continues its industrial theme. Vertical LED taillights, reinforced rear bumper, recovery hooks, integrated lighting, and a mounted spare wheel. It looks less like a motorhome and more like a mobile command center. Step inside and the vibe shifts from tactical brute to refined control center. The cockpit is finished in premium black leather with red stitching throughout. Seats, armrests, dashboard details. The steering wheel features the Toyota badge at center, multi-function controls, and a confident, thick grip. Across the dashboard, a wide integrated digital display combines the instrument cluster and infotainment screen in one seamless horizontal layout. You've got navigation, off-road telemetry, media, and system control clearly displayed. Physical buttons remain for critical functions: off-road modes, drivetrain adjustments, terrain management. The center console features a robust gear selector, rotary terrain dial, dual cup holders, and tactical style switchgear. It feels built for serious terrain, not just city driving. Everything is black. Everything is purposeful. Red stitching and subtle accents tie it back to the exterior identity. Now here's where it gets wild. Behind the cockpit, the ThunderBeast transforms into a full luxury expedition apartment. The interior continues in a blacked-out theme: matte cabinetry, brushed metal handles, subtle red accent lines integrated into the panels. On the left, a premium leather lounge wraps around a central adjustable dining table. The stitching matches the cockpit, black with red contrast. Storage drawers are integrated beneath the seating. Soft ambient lighting runs along the ceiling edges, giving the space a warm, high-end atmosphere. Large rectangular windows bring in natural light, but the cabin still feels private, insulated, secure. Opposite the lounge is a fully equipped galley kitchen, matte black cabinetry, under cabinet LED lighting, and stone-style countertops. You get an integrated induction cooktop, deep rectangular sink with matte black faucet, built-in microwave and oven stack, and a full-height stainless steel refrigerator. Every cabinet features solid metal handles. The finish quality feels premium and durable. Even the fold-out extension countertop is engineered with heavy-duty metal hinges. This isn't lightweight RV hardware, it's expedition grade. Toward the rear, the ThunderBeast offers a dedicated sleeping space. A large, full-width bed sits centered against a black paneled wall, with ThunderBeast branding subtly integrated. Overhead storage cabinets line the top. Soft reading lights are mounted on both sides. Side tables include power outlets and storage compartments. The atmosphere is quiet, enclosed, and comfortable, like a luxury bunker suite. And yes, there's a full bathroom. Glass enclosed shower with rain-style shower head, matte black sink and cabinetry, illuminated mirror with integrated lighting, compact yet modern toilet setup. Even here, the black and red design language continues, with a thin red accent stripe along the wall panels. It's minimal, tactical, but undeniably premium. The 2026 Toyota ThunderBeast 16x16 isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement. 16 wheels of unstoppable presence, armored design, luxury blacked out interior, expedition capability with private jet comfort. This is what happens when overlanding meets fortress engineering. So the question is, would you take this into the wild or park it as the most extreme luxury rig ever built? Let me know in the comments.